Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Ines Creation Limited. I am thrilled to have you here. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to design an amazing logo using Canva. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your design skill, this tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you will be able to create a professional looking logo with easy, and I will show you few tips to make your design stand out. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our design tips and tricks. Alright, let's get started. First, let's open the Canva and select a blank page template for our logo. After opening a page, go to the element and let's search for a logo. Here we are going to take a law symbols. Let's find a law symbols of weight. Let's take this and adjust it on the middle of the page. Then go to the element again and search for a pen. Let's take this pen and adjust it on the middle of the stand. Adjust both of these. And let's change the color in blue for now. Now go to the element and search for a shape. And let's take this round shape. Adjust it on the middle of the pen and change the color in white. Now select all of this and adjust them, make it smaller. Then go to the element and search for a shield. Let's find a shield. Let's take this shaped shield and place it behind the pen and weight tools. Make them group. Let's delete the shield and find another one. Let's take this shield and now adjust it behind the previous elements. Now go to the element and search for a book. We are going to add a book icon. Let's take this icon and adjust it. Let's again go to the element and change the book icon. Let's take this book icon and change the color. Now adjust all the things. Change the color of all black. Then go to the element and search for a ribbon. Let's find a ribbon. Let's take this white and black ribbon. Let's take a text box and type the name Business Law Center. Then go to the effect and give a shape, curve shape according the ribbon. Make the shape and the ribbon curves, keep them same shape. Reduce the font size. Take another text box and type learn and serve in both sides of the shield and change the font style of all fonts. I don't think that's look good. Let's make the ribbon down of the shield. Drag it and down of the shield. Place them down of the shield. Adjust the weight and the pen and books. Now take the learn and serve and rewrite them. Learn, inspire and serve. Now adjust them under the ribbon. And now for the blank space, let's go to the element, search for star. Let's take this star and put it inside the shield and press Alt and copy this into stars. And now adjust all of them, change the color in black. Now adjust all of them. Keep this round. Select all of them and make a group. That's it, a logo for a law center. If you need this kind of logo or any other marketing logo, business logo, or any kind of print design like flyer design, brochure design, or print media design for any kind of annual reports or any kind of designers, please contact with us. Our contact details will be attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Ines Creation Limited.